Anu. I'm basically from Kerala, and right now I am working as Vice President and Regional Head of Federal Bank. So I would say the word excellent would not suffice if I want to describe, because the course has been amazing. The most important aspect that I liked about it is the clarity of thought that each faculty has, and that clarity of thought has been percolated down to each and every cohort along who have been doing the course along with me. So it has been excellent. There is no doubt the program, the way it has been designed, the materials that are being provided to us, all are up to date, and we are really happy. I myself am really happy that the content is excellent, as well as the materials that are being provided are up to date and are in tune with the latest trend. Faculty all are very experienced, and they know, they have very good clarity of thought. And the best thing is that maintaining class in an online environment is very, very difficult. I myself know that because I also conduct several meetings online. But keeping us engaged in that is something very difficult. But the faculty is doing an excellent job in that. The way they are updated of the topic they are handling, and the way they interact with us, all are very good, and they do that extra mile to help us in learning. It has been excellent in that way. And regarding my cohorts, there are around 75 odd people after having left college after almost 18 years. We get a feeling that we are campus, so that is something very good. I would like to say that knowledge is something that is very essential. It's not something that I want to say again, but knowledge keeps us relevant in the field. So that is something that I have gained from this course, is that fintech is a fast evolving area, or I would say is a subject that is fast evolving. When we try to figure out what is Byzantine rule or what a new blockchain technology is, immediately another technology comes and makes this null and void. So it is a fast evolving field. So I want myself to be relevant in the field. That's why I registered for this course. And definitely it has been helping me a lot. The jargons that I couldn't understand earlier, I can understand better. And more than that, this course made me confident to present myself before everyone, especially regarding the new banking technologies and the new changes that are happening in the financial sector. So the best thing is that this course has been designed in Sundays. So the best thing is of this course is that the timing is such that it is from 2 to 5 in the afternoon. So in the morning, if we have any thing that is to be done for our home, it can be attended to. And in the afternoon, when I usually doze off, I can make it count for it by attending this session. So it actually balances me very well. And naturally, there is no work on Sunday, so I can dedicate fully for this course. And in fact, the course material that has been given is very good. So we need to prepare before attending the next session. So syncs well with me. I can manage my family as well as my career and along with the course without doubt. Thanks for any success, any person needs is a good partnership. So Jaro provides that best partnership. Things are coordinated by Jaro has been excellent. It offers seamless service. If there is anything that is required from our side, and if any help is required, if we are contacting Jaro people, they are always ready to help us. Something that I have seen is excellent, and I feel 50% of the credit for conducting this course very well goes to Jaro definitely. And as my institution says, it is your perfect banking partner like that. I would say Jaro is the perfect educational partner that you can get.